Hello everyone, is your car having trouble shifting gears, stuck in limp mode or not starting at all? If your OBD-II scanner shows P0708, transmission range sensor circuit high input, it means the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, is receiving an unusually high voltage signal from the transmission range sensor, TRS. In this video I'll explain what P0708 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to locate the affected sensors and components. Let's get started. What is P0708? The P0708 trouble code appears when the transmission range sensor, TRS, sends a signal higher than the expected voltage range. The TRS, also known as the neutral safety switch, tells the PCM which gear the transmission is in, P, R, N, D, L. If this signal is too high, the PCM may misinterpret the gear position, causing starting issues, incorrect shifting, or limp mode. Warning: if this sensor fails, your car might not start, shift unpredictably, or go into limp mode. Common symptoms of P0708: check engine light on car won't start, especially in park or neutral. Transmission stuck in one gear, limp mode. Harsh or erratic shifting, incorrect gear display on dashboard transmission. Slipping or jerking. If you're experiencing these symptoms, let's locate the key components and diagnose the problem. To fix P0708, check these key transmission and PCM-related components. Transmission range sensor, TRS/neutral safety switch. Location: mounted on the transmission near the shift linkage or valve body. Function: detects gear position and sends signals to the PCM. Gear shift selector and linkage location: between the gear shift lever and transmission. Function: ensures the correct gear selection is transmitted to the TRS and PCM. PCM, Powertrain Control Module. Location: usually in the engine bay or under the dashboard. Function: receives TRS signals and controls shifting. Wiring harness and connectors. Location: runs between the TRS, gear shifter and PCM. Function: transmits electrical signals for gear selection, fuse and relay box. Location: under the hood or dashboard. Function: supplies power to the TRS circuit. Common causes of P0708 faulty transmission range sensor, TRS. A defective sensor can send high voltage signals. Corroded or loose TRS connector, dirt, water or corrosion can interfere with the signal. Broken or misaligned gear, selector cable, can cause incorrect voltage readings. Blown fuse or faulty relay, a failed power supply can lead to a high TRS signal. Short circuit or wiring issues. A damaged or shorted wire can cause high input voltage. PCM malfunction, rare. The PCM may misinterpret TRS signals, affecting shifting. How to fix P0708. Step 1. Check gear indicator on dashboard. If the displayed gear doesn't match the actual gear, the TRS or shift cable may be faulty. Step 2. Inspect the transmission range sensor, TRS. Look for cracks, dirt, or corrosion on the sensor and its connector. Step 3. Test the TRS with a multimeter. If the voltage is too high, replace the sensor. Step 4. Check the shifter cable and linkage. Ensure the cable is not loose, stretched, or misaligned. Step 5. Inspect wiring and fuses. Look for blown fuses, damaged wires, or loose connections. Step 6. Reset the PCM and test drive. After repairs, clear the code using an OBD-II scanner and check if the issue is resolved. Ignoring P0708 can lead to serious transmission issues, starting problems, or limp mode. Fixing it early can prevent expensive repairs. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0669. Engine control module relay control circuit low. P0670. Glow plug control module circuit malfunction. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.